Hello, I'm Akash Sharma, student of Goethe University, BTech CC third year. I'm currently working as a data scientist in a German company based on artificial intelligence and blockchain. I have published multiple research papers on most notorious data problems, such as travel system problems, using machine learning and artificial intelligence. I invented a technology which could revolutionize the current architecture of computer and mobile devices security. I even became the first student to be granted patent license by Government of India of Goethe University and other regions. If I talk about motivation, I'll take help from Lord Buddha's saying, as he said, "No one can save us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We must ourselves choose the path." This zeal of mine kept me going and pushed me hard to become what I want, instead of just absorbing the stereotypical expectations from me. I always wanted to do something new, but I faced the same problem faced by multiple students. I didn't know where to start. So I took a risk and said to myself that some beautiful paths can't be discovered without getting lost. I pushed myself into the pit and said one's capability to take a risk is what differentiates him from the crowd. That makes him a winner. Now I wanted to talk about my weakness, the problems I faced. I faced the same problems as any other student in any college. I didn't know how to manage what I am learning, what I wanted to learn, and how to manage both of them without letting any of them down. I found my college subjects quite interesting, but I had already chosen my field of passion. So I was stuck in between, but my university and some amazing people in it acted as a backbone to me. Our Vice Chancellor, Mrs. Lane Luthra, for her I can say her motivations and life lessons taught me to always keep my chin up and just keep going. A very dear CEO, Mr. Dhruv Galgotia, made every help resources possible by university available to me so that I don't feel pressured or doubtful. And then comes my faculties. They are my second parents. I always talk to them about my problems and they always solve any of those talks with a happy face. I have felt so good listening to them. Now I want to share my life cycle with you guys. How I started and how can you? I had my mind wired differently. When I stepped into the university gates, I was constricted to the certain topics which are not meant to be taught to juniors. They were only for seniors. This curiosity of mine made me go differently. I started developing Android apps and software in my first year, which already distinguished me as a different person. In my second year, the Student Council of Goethe University caught my eye, and I did my part in the management. Then I got promoted to the head of publication department. And then came my third year, the fateful year of my life. In this year, I started to work on projects, conferences, hackathons. I started to do multiple internships in multi-international companies, such as in Australia and now in Germany. But during that amazing life, I had always this thing in my mind that I don't want to do engineering to show off or for money or for job. I actually wanted to utilize the technical knowledge I gained for the betterment of the world. So I started researching upon new ideas and invented something which I'm really proud of. I have been told to give you guys a message. The only thing I want to say to you guys is don't ever be scared to do something new with your life. There is many things to be done. I know this is a thing you might hear on YouTube, but trust me, just try once, you will see the difference. They say college is the best part of your life. They are 100% right. Make the most out of it. If you think that you have reached the dead end, that's not the dead end. There is some things to be done, some places to go, some skills to learn, and some music to be made. In college, I found myself. I started my own journey. Now it's your time to start your own. Don't fear your faculty or shy them. There is still a parent hidden between them which consider you as their children and want to see you excel in life and go big.